Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Magic Tricks is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys for children aged 8 to 10. It's not just about performing amazing illusions, but also about developing crucial skills such as problem solving, dexterity, and presentation skills, fostering creativity and confidence as they learn to plan and execute their tricks. This video will review some of the best magic sets available, helping you choose the perfect one to spark your child's imagination and unlock their inner magician. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Deluxe Magic Set. Get ready for amazing illusions. This set has everything a young magician needs to wow their friends and family. Master 10 incredible magic tricks, from disappearing coins to mind-reading predictions. It's fun and easy to learn. Each trick is designed to be simple to learn, building confidence and dexterity with every performance. It's more than just fun, it helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's educational entertainment. This beautiful solid wood set comes in a storage box that also serves as a performance stage. It's built to last. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This is perfect for kids 8 and older who love hands-on, screen-free play. What we like. It's made of solid wood and comes with a storage box, which is great for keeping everything organized. If you are looking for a classic, high-quality magic set that will last, this is a great choice. This set is perfect for kids who appreciate quality craftsmanship and timeless magic tricks. Number 4. National Geographic Magic Kit. Ever dreamed of performing amazing magic tricks? This kit has everything you need to get started, from classic illusions to card tricks. Master the secrets behind famous illusions. Learn how to use cups and balls, a false thumb tip, and more. It's easier than you think. Practice sleight of hand with our special card deck. It's the perfect tool for learning incredible card tricks and amazing your friends. Learn from a professional magician. The kit includes a booklet with illustrated instructions and a link to videos showing you exactly how to perform each trick. Learn the basics and then explore more advanced variations. You'll be putting on a full magic show in no time. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit includes 45 tricks with video instructions from a professional magician. If you want a wide variety of tricks and detailed guidance, this is the one for you. It's ideal for kids who want to learn from a pro and master many different types of magic. What people say. The quality is good and the best part is that it stimulates the young brain. Videos are very helpful. Most of the tricks are pretty easy to learn and super fun. There are some more advanced, but it's nice that there is a variety of skill levels in one box. He was able to learn a lot of the tricks so quickly he put on magic shows for everyone at his birthday party. Definitely recommend. Number 3. Learn and Climb Mega Magic Kit. It's time for your child to experience the wonder of magic. This kit has everything they need to perform amazing tricks and wow their friends and family. With 28 incredible props, it's the largest selection of magic tricks available. They'll have hundreds of tricks at their fingertips. Learning is a breeze with step-by-step video tutorials from Master Magician Leif Davis and an easy-to-understand instruction manual. Your child will be performing magic in no time. It's the ideal gift for any child who loves magic. The tricks are designed for different skill levels, ensuring hours of fun and engagement. It's made with high-quality materials, including a 2-level magic box for easy storage. Just add some imagination and watch the magic unfold. We offer a 30-day return policy, so you can purchase with confidence. Let your child explore their magical potential without any worries. What we like. With 28 props, it allows for hundreds of tricks, and includes different levels of difficulty. If your child is a serious aspiring magician, this comprehensive kit will keep them entertained for hours. It's perfect for kids who want a challenge and a wide range of tricks to learn. What people say. There were some tricks that she could do immediately, the cut rope, vase. She has been able to figure out a few other ones on her own. However, the instruction booklet and videos, accessed by QR code, are very helpful for more difficult tricks. Quality seems great after a few days and being dropped on the tile floor a couple of times. He was absolutely delighted with it and started digging through the props and performed some simple tricks within moments. His 10-year-old sister joined in and they both referred to the manual's pictures and simple directions. A great gift with lots more potential fun. Most of the ones we've tried have been simple enough instructions for us to learn. We did have to use one of the videos to learn a trick yesterday, but the videos are a great resource. My 6-year-old even put on a magic show for his friends and their parents. Number 2. Learn and Climb Beginner Magic Kit. It's time for some magic. This kit has everything your young magician needs to learn and perform 50+ amazing tricks. Prepare to be amazed. With this set, they'll master vanishing acts, thrilling illusions, and much more. It's the perfect gift. This easy-to-learn kit provides hours of fun and engagement for your little magician. Learning is a breeze. Step-by-step instructional videos make mastering these sensational tricks simple and fun. Get ready for endless entertainment. This exciting kit offers dozens of tricks to amaze family and friends for hours of fun. Try it with confidence. Our 30-day return policy ensures a worry-free experience. And if they love it, we have even bigger magic sets available. What we like. It's designed for beginners, with easy-to-follow instructions and 50+ amazing tricks. If you're looking for an introductory magic set for younger children, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who are just starting to explore the world of magic. What people say. This is a great starter magic set. My 7-year-old has had a ball with it. The DVD it comes with is helpful in showing the tricks, how to do the tricks, and then there is a booklet that also has the instructions. This is a really easy kit to learn. It says it has 50 tricks. It does not. The book only has 21 and several of those are different variations of the same trick. Still, they are good, and basic tricks that kids of all ages can enjoy and master. 6-year-olds love the coin tricks, the vanishing box, vanishing ball. The starter magic set for kids contained a lot of useful items in magic for children and even for adults. Number 1. Magic Kit for Kids. Ever dreamed of performing amazing magic tricks? This kit makes it easy, with simple instructions and fun video tutorials. Learn incredible illusions with our step-by-step guide. It's designed for young magicians of all skill levels. Dress the part. The kit comes complete with a dazzling magician's costume to enhance your performance. Watch and learn. Our video tutorials make mastering the tricks even easier and more fun. Get ready for endless entertainment. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring magician. Impress your friends and family with your newfound magical skills at your next party or gathering. What we like. It comes with an easy-to-follow guide and video instructions, plus a magician costume to enhance the fun. If you want a fun and engaging magic kit that encourages imaginative play, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to dress up and put on a show. What people say. Enjoyed the intrigue of the magic a 9-year-old can ever have. Planning his first magic show with wonder-filled tricks. Age appropriate. A few require too much hand manipulation, but great props for kid level. The pieces in this magic set appear to be of decent quality overall. The hat is really cute, fits my 6-year-old, is sturdy and made of a felt-like material. The cape is really cute too. He's had fun playing with everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.